What's up fella, Success Animation here. Before we start, I will give away my fractionation guidebook for free, but only to the first 1,000 people. So be fast and click the link in the description to save how to make a girl squirt. Hidden secret. 1. Delicately and gradually invigorate the G-spot. Keep in mind this isn't a race for execution, so take as much time as necessary and investigate with no desire. Use bunches of oil to ensure the sensation will be lovely. Just as inclination way better, this will likewise lessen the danger of soreness or damage. Go for a water-based lube, as silicone lubes might be longer enduring, however they can't be utilized with all condoms and silicone toys. Regular lubes are the best, similar to Sliquid's range, since they don't contain hurtful potential aggravations, and many are veggie lover, as well. At that point, animate your G-spot with your fingers or a G-spot vibrator that has the ideal edge to naturally arrive at your G-spot. Utilizing a G-spot vibrator makes the zone simpler to reach and animate. 2. Tune into your body, and don't keep down. Know about your body's sensations and adjust weight in like manner. Keep in mind, it should feel charming. For a great many people, discharge can just happen once the vulva and G-spot have loaded up with blood, and along these lines, expanded in size. Since the discharge leaves the urethra, feeling like you have to pee is a decent sign. On the off chance that the vulva has expanded in size, you may wish to push while unwinding. Pushing and unwinding simultaneously sounds somewhat precarious, however the fluid might possibly stream out. Thus the potential need to push in on the grounds that the underlying sensation will be like peeing, you should be adequately loose to allow it to occur. A few people possibly discharge when the G-spot is being invigorated, that is, with some infiltration. For other people, it's the inverse and happens when the vagina is free of all entrance.